In this episode, we're gonna talk about how I turned this into this. Follow me along, like, subscribe, you know the drill, let's go. What's up guys, today I'm gonna walk you around 3 of my units and we're gonna check out what is there to be fixed, and then I'm gonna show the after. Obviously might not be in this episode, but I'm just gonna break down what I want to change so I can convert it to Airbnb. All right, let's go. Okay, so cabinets here, good. I like them. They're white. On the other side, you're gonna see soon. They're newer, but they're not a good color. What I'm planning on doing is put a microwave here and a counter here, or put the microwave here. I'm not exactly sure. Fridge is too big for here. I have bought a smaller one that is maybe this size, so it can open up. Maybe a little table here that people can basically cook, prepare something and eat. As you can tell, the unit is small. This is the living room. TV is gonna be either there, a bigger one, or here. With this corner is gonna be a, I don't know how you call it, angled 90-degree couch that can be pulled out and be used as a bed so I can sleep more people. Table. And that's that. I'm not sure here, it looks empty. Maybe I'm gonna put the TV there, not here. This I'm gonna change to, I think this is, yeah, this is a fake fireplace that actually you can use as a heater. So that's actually great. I like that. I'm not gonna change. I'm sorry, I didn't see it. Here and in the other unit are the same. This is a duplex actually. The other unit is exactly the same as this one. It's just kind of the opposite way. Bathroom. This is gonna be gone. This is one style of setup where the bathtub is there, toilet is right across, and here's the sink. I have seen that they converted it to this bathtub is actually right here from left to right. And then I forgot where. I think the toilet comes here. It's more spacious, but I want to see how much it's gonna cost me to convert that. Now the other thing, I'm not sure if I like this. This is gonna be gray. It's gonna be new laminate. The question that I have is, do I want to replace all the tile, and how much it's gonna cost? And by how much it's gonna cost, I'm gonna find out if I want to replace it or not. The other option is just lay the new flooring on top of the tile. So my friend Bessie, who's gonna do the renovation, is gonna come and tell me, do I want to do that? Because I want it all to be gray like in my first Airbnb that is actually in this community. Okay, here we got a bedroom. As you can tell, they did not throw everything away. I did tell them, hey, if you cannot get everything out, it's okay, we'll throw it for you. Oh, and a bed. Okay, just normal stuff. Throw them away. Mini sauce collection, thanks. Router, she's gonna need that router, I'm pretty sure. Okay, well, this is the unit. This I'm planning on doing. Paint, flooring, definitely here and there. Now the tile, it is not a lot. I guess we can change it. It is not a lot. It's not like a 1,000 square foot of tile, right? So, okay, well, this is what I'm planning on doing with the unit. I'm gonna do a picture right here so we don't see this thing. And what else? That's it. That's, oh, the AC is here. It is pretty new. Well, let me show the backyard. Now the washer and dryer, she said she's gonna take, but I guess she didn't. I'm not sure why. But this is the back. We got a little laundry room here. Those are old, I'm guessing. I don't want guests to have to deal with them. As you can tell, this is how we do it back in my country. It's so old that broke, so they kind of did whatever they can with it. Oh, this is a bathroom window. Oh, okay. And then here, in the back, okay, here in the backyard, what I'm planning on doing is I'm gonna clean it up, obviously, and I'm gonna have a table with an umbrella here so people can come and chill, smoke a cigarette, have a drink, whatever they want to do. All right, well, that's it. And this is the other unit right on the other side. I don't know what I'm talking. I mean, there's no one there, but yeah, we're gonna go into the other unit in just a sec. Alright, this is pretty much exactly the same, except, okay, As you can tell from now, again, on this tenant, I did tell them to leave whatever they cannot take out. They have left some stuff, which is great. I told them, hey, I'll throw it away, don't worry about it. I just want them out, okay? I want them out because, oh, here's the same fire pit. I love it, I love those. I want them out because the faster they're out, the faster I'm gonna start renovating, the faster I'm gonna start the money getting flowing in from the Airbnb, okay? So we're gonna throw away anyways, we're gonna throw away other stuff, right? We're gonna throw away maybe the cabinets, we'll see. So here is same layout, we're gonna do flooring here. Maybe I'm thinking it doesn't really matter how expensive, I shouldn't have said that. If it's not insanely expensive, I'll replace the tile. I just really don't like it. I want everything to be one, you know, gray tile. Now, let me turn the light on real quick. Okay, the cabinets, you can see this is newer. This is way newer, but just the color is just like shitty. This is newer, obviously. I want granite, but I'm not gonna replace that. It's working, right? Sink, this maybe I'll replace. Same idea. Maybe actually on the other unit, I'm gonna change the range. We'll see how I'm gonna do it. We'll see what base is gonna propose. Definitely a microwave right there. And that's it. This is newer. It's just I don't know if we can paint it or do something with it. I'm definitely gonna ask the rehabber. I did get a smart. Hold on. All right, and it's same like. Let me see if there's. Okay, there are two breakers here. I'm not sure there is enough breakers for a microwave, to be honest. We'll see. That's because I'm not an electrician. Okay, and the same here. Okay, I did not see this room when I came earlier. I came a couple of days ago. Okay, we'll throw it away. I did tell her if you have a bed or anything you cannot throw away. She's like, I do have a bed. I just wanna. I'll call the city. I'll throw it away. I'm like, hey, don't worry. It's an older, elderly woman. Don't. We'll throw it away. We will be here throwing stuff away anyways. I'm gonna be paying for trash. So, anyways, it's getting thrown away. Windows look good. Windows look new and good. That's great. Wow, okay. Windows are new, guys. And on the other unit as well. All right. I mean, the other unit will be mine next year. The other duplex. All right, this is the other bedroom. We have some concrete here for some reason, but don't worry about it. Okay, this is gonna get thrown away. This is queen size, so queen size can actually fit in here. I'm considering to either put queen size or double bed because it's a smaller room. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, it is a smaller room. There are two bedrooms, but they're smaller. This apartment is the same size as my 1-1 Airbnb, right? So if 1-1 is the same size as this, and the same layout here, vanity, here, the outlet is here, I don't know who made that. Vanity, bathtub, toilet bowl, and a window. The window that leads to the washer dryer unit. This is definitely gonna get replaced, definitely. Bathtub out. Again, I don't know if we're gonna keep this layout. I don't want it to be insanely expensive, right? But we gotta do what we gotta do. AC is here. It is pretty new, the AC. It's funny what they did. The filter is not there. The filter is here on the door. I don't know if that's good or not. Fridge, again, I don't want to do those fridges. I'll clean them, but that's too big. That's way too big for here. I'm gonna buy smaller fridges. Maybe I'll include a picture right here. If you've seen my video, how I got the fridge from, almost the first minutes. How I got the fridge from Lowe's for $250 and it was $500. This fridge is what I'm talking about. It's a smaller one, okay? Here's the backyard. Almost the same idea. The tile is not all the way. Like, look here how the tile is all the way to the rim, to the fence. And here the tile is not. Maybe we'll retile, or we can just plant some simple stuff here, okay? And same idea, I'm gonna get the shrubs out and stuff. Same idea, a table with an umbrella, and that's it. And laundry room, she said she's not gonna take. Oh, okay, my bad. She said she will take those. She said she's not gonna be able to take them. Okay, my bad. All right, well, heater is also pretty new. Has a hookup washer and dryer with the outlet, which is great. And that's it. So yeah, all in all, those are the two units. I am going to the third unit right now. I'm gonna take a video there. Also, just so I can take you with me. And yeah, I don't know what you think about them. Give me a suggestion. This property, the 2 units, I have bought for $150,000, which pretty much means $75,000 per unit, which I think is a pretty good deal. If Airbnb can net me between $1,000 and $1,500 a month net, not gross, because it gross is about $3K. If we're judging by my unit that I already have under Airbnb. What do you think? Was it a good purchase? I actually misspoke. Per unit, I am grossing $2,500 to $2,700, which means over $5,000 gross per unit. In the next episode, guys, I'm gonna cut that here. In the next episode, I'm gonna take you to the other unit and show you around. It's a duplex. Does not look the same because it's raised. It's off the ground. Like, subscribe, and see you next time, folks.